short stories have the potential to be the next big viral trend that could get you millions of views and explode your YouTube channel? Maybe. Stay tuned and I'll tell you everything about stories, short stories, how you can do them, and my theory on how it could be the thing that could explode your channel. Now, some of you may have noticed last week I bombarded my YouTube channel with 10 short stories. Short stories of videos of any length, really, between 0 and 1 minute long, that are in a vertical format. Vertical, you know, the thing that I've been railing against for many years. Just doing the videos made my skin crawl a little bit. But many of you are used to this thing, a mobile phone. And short stories is YouTube's subtle attempt at trying to muscle their way into the 60-second game that TikTok and Instagram Reels are currently muscling on as well. But where are these short stories? Well, if you're on a mobile device and you scroll down under the video you are watching, you get your top suggested video, and then you'll see a shelf. In the shelf, there's the normal stories. These are your 15-second clips that YouTube creators have been creating as mini bite-sized content, maybe behind the scenes. Things that you're used to seeing on things like Instagram and Facebook. Those are normal, but a short story breaks out past that 15 seconds. So why do these videos exist? Well, at the moment, YouTube is testing this new feature. They're doing it quite quietly. They've put it in their blog where they're hinting that they're going to be testing these features because they're always testing something. And what they're doing is they're finding vertical videos, and they say it's going to be 20-30 seconds in length, but we are seeing up to a minute long, and they're placing these next to random other videos. They seem to be a little hit and miss when it comes to the data at the moment, but they're trying to match them up, it seems, to the theme of the channel, the video that you was watching above. So if I go to Graham Stephan, then from time to time there's a short story on stocks. If I'm going to gaming, every now and then there's something vaguely gaming. But it's not 100% proof at the moment. I've seen countless times a short clip of just someone fixing RAM. So I'm not sure if it's based on my viewing preferences or that video in itself. So, why am I testing them? Well, the idea of this channel is that if I can test things and I can fail at them, that when I finally succeed, I can teach you why they succeeded. End of the day, I want to be able to look you in the eyes and say, hi, this is a definitive answer. Are these worth doing? Are they not? My long-term theory is that in the long run, YouTube will try and match up all of the content in a broader data pool based on your videos. So every time you watch a toy video, there'd be a Toy Story kind of minute clip down below. I go and have a look at slime, maybe there's a slime mini story. I go and fix my car, maybe there's a spark plug mini story. It's in prime real estate as well. You're only scrolling past the top suggested before you hit the others what to recommend next. I am, however, hoping that once they've tested this, that maybe they integrate it a bit better. So what I've done is I've done 10 videos, all short stories, ranging from 15 seconds to 60 seconds as a test. And you could do the same. Basically, I've picked some of the most competitive keywords in my niche. How to get subscribers, how to get views, and I've planted those seeds on YouTube. I don't expect them to explode overnight, but if the algorithm does shift, or if there is something that they are testing, I want to be able to offer them content that they can put in that slot. There's not many YouTube educators out there that are creating vertical content, mainly because it makes us cry inside it's the wrong format. But I'm willing to give it a try if they start building that part of the platform to help people create vertical content. And I'm saying that shaking because for 15 years I've been telling people to create the right content for the right platform. So those 10 videos I've grouped together and I've put into an analytics base. I'm going to track all of the stats, and in the coming weeks and months I will keep you updated. So feel free, if you're watching this, hit that subscribe button, and slowly over time I'll show you how my test went. You never know, this could be the golden nugget that helps you. So who can do these stories? The normal stories, the normal Instagram 15 seconds, here's a story feed. Unfortunately, that's limited to people with 10,000 subscribers right now. But the short stories that I made that are over 15 seconds in length and under a minute, I just uploaded as normal videos to the YouTube channel and then added a thumbnail over it to make it look a little bit better on my homepage. Mainly because if there's no thumbnail, once again, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. So you can't necessarily do the normal stories, but you could still plant those seeds with these short minute videos. Then maybe that gives them the ammo they need to slot you into those spaces in your specific niche, should it go the way that I'm hoping or thinking it might do. Because right now, people aren't making vertical content for YouTube, so they might have a drought until people start piling in. So if you get in before everybody else starts to realise that it's the next 10-minute and 1-second video trick hack, if you're already there, if you've already got content, you're ahead of everybody else that needs to make it. Now, you'll also notice that I used TikTok, mainly because it was so much easier to press the button, hold the button, let go, hold the button, record, let go, and then I could skip it out for 60 seconds. Currently, the YouTube editor, the YouTube mobile app, you press video, it only does up to 15 seconds. You could use Instagram Reels, or there are other video tools out there that edit out those gaps between. I honestly just weren't aware of them. So I'm using TikTok, uploading to TikTok, and then ripping it down and uploading it to YouTube. After all, I've effectively posted to 2 platforms. But right now, this YouTube short stories could be the future of certain content on YouTube. I think 60-second short stories would be fantastic for people like Tasty. You know, those clips you've seen on Facebook from zooming down, face down. They could be great for little, quick, mini snippet tips. And if it works, I'll be honest, I would start considering maybe uploading 2 or 3 short clips a week of like 1-minute tips or 1-minute motivation to go alongside the longer form content here. But don't worry, the long form content is continuing to be made. I'm back to the normal horizontal. I feel less dirty inside. I am collecting the stats. So if you want an update as I continue to test this feature, hit subscribe. And if you want to see the examples that I did for my stories, there's a playlist here. There's 10 of them. Go and binge watch them.